IAMQUALAH. So today we are actually going to be doing another unboxing slash first impression. So I wanted to make a wig to kind of give my hair a little break from just manipulation and all that. So I was thinking about making a wig. And I went ahead and got some hair from Glamroom.org. So let's go right ahead and look in this package and see what we got. Alright, so I got the body wave in 18, 20, and 22 inches. And I also got the body wave 14-inch closure. In this, I plan to make a wig with this. So let's go ahead and let's pull some of this hair out of the bag so we can kind of see what it's all about. So you know they come inside of these little packages. They are also wrapped on the inside of those little nets, those little wig nets or hair holding nets. And this is the 22-inch bundle. Okay, so it's nice and soft, putting my fingers through it. I'm not really getting any shedding, which is awesome. It's really soft hair. I love the texture. It's pretty standard smell for, you know, pretty standard smell. Doesn't smell fragrant or anything, but it smells like hair, you know what I mean? The ends look really good. It does get thinner as it goes down towards the end, but they look really good though. They're not split, they're not broken. It looks like this is the natural color of the hair. The texture of this hair is gorgeous. And here's the closure piece, and it does already have some baby hairs on there. Okay, that's kind of good. Of course, it looks like it may still need to be plucked, but it's really soft, just like the extension. I'm not getting any shedding. Perfect. Okay, so it looks good. So this is the 14-inch lace closure. As you can see there. I'm really excited about this because it looks like it's going to be perfect for me to dye it, which is really my main thing. I wanted to get some hair that I could turn pink. So I think looking at this hair, I know I'm going to be able to dye it some color, so I'm excited about that. So this is about a 4x4 closure. It's got the baby hairs. They've already made a little bit of baby hairs. Of course, I'm gonna probably go in and have to redo that once the wig is complete. It looks like I may have to bleach the knots, but other than that, it looks really good. I wanna look at this 22 now. Let's look at this 22 inch. Okay, so this looks really good also. The weft, this is the size of the weft for the 22 inch. And let me show you side by side the 22. So this is the 18 inch and this is the 22 inch. And I'm going to show you side by side the difference in the weft. So you can see that the 22 inch weft is a little thinner than the, well, a lot thinner than the 18 inch weft. So this one also looks really good. I don't see any split ends, which is perfect. So let me show you guys side by side everything. The 20, the 18, and the 22 inch. Okay, so this is the 18, the 20, and the 22 inch. These are side by side. You can see the hair definitely does cut, and it almost has a little spiral. So this is the body wave 18, 20, and 22 inches body wave hair with a closure piece, a 4x4 closure with baby hairs from Glamroom.org. So definitely go check them out. $65 a bundle, guys. Starting at $65 a bundle. So that's a pretty good deal. $65 a bundle on some really good hair. It's no shedding that I'm getting so far. It's got a great luster, no split ends. I mean, this hair feels gorgeous. The closure already has the baby hairs in there, and it's just really looking good, guys. I'm really excited to go ahead and get these, to get this wig made. I'm thinking it's going to be awesome to color this hair. So I'm super excited to color it, honestly. But even just if I just decided not to color, but just to go straight in and make the wig, I already know that this is going to be a hell of a bundle here because it's really thick also. So this is the Brazilian Virgin Remy hair, guys. Cuticles all definitely appear to be intact. We are going to have to test it out though, of course, by washing it and also testing a little strip on color. So we're gonna find out, guys, how this hair is going to do under color. We're gonna find out how it does in the wig making process, and I'm just super excited, guys. So let's go right ahead and let's get started on this wig, boo. Alright guys, so we're gonna start off by bleaching these knots. So first thing I want to show you is that I'm using the Kaleidoscope tonal powder, and then I'm just gonna fold those baby hairs underneath. You really want to get them folded under so that they're not in the way. Then we're going to go ahead and prep the powder and dye for lightening. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take 2 full scoops basically for this powder for the lightening process, and then I do end up adding like another half a scoop or something. Today I'm going to be using the 30 developer, and then I'm just going to go ahead and pour that in slowly to just kind of test it out and make sure that I get the right consistency. So you want your consistency to be something similar to toothpaste, and I did make it just a tiny bit too liquidy, so I did add a little bit more powder there. Of course, again, we are going to be folding under those baby hairs. So you want those baby hairs to be fully folded under. Here, that's what I'm going to be using a color applicator brush. And then you're just going to go ahead and brush that on top of the lace. Once that is on the lace, you're going to go ahead and grab your foil and just kind of fold that under and let that sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. So when that's done, you're going to go ahead and rinse that out, and you want to use like a neutralizing shampoo or some sort or whatever. So I ended up using this here shampoo that I just had laying around, and then wring that out. Now if your knots are totally fully bleached, then you can stop here, but I did notice that I had a couple of knots that still weren't totally ready, so I went ahead and did it for a second time. Now I didn't let it sit as long the second time, but then when I was completely done, I did go ahead and just comb the hair out and I let it air dry. So I've decided to make the wig in another video, so just stay tuned. Don't forget to go and check out Glamroom.org for your Remy hair extensions, and subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!